crazy.
We've just had a little walk through and we're amazed. You're doing a great job. We're really happy.
Can't wait to move in. It looks amazing. You guys have done a wicked job. Everything's exactly how we wanted it and asked. So better than what we asked. So massive thank you to you guys.
Imagine trying to host a dinner while being cut off from your family's laughter in the next room. That was the everyday reality for this family, living in a home where the kitchen and living room were worlds apart. For this family from Auckland, their home's outdated layout wasn't just inconvenient, it was limiting their ability to connect and entertain.
Okay, so we are in number 90. Coming from the downstairs, this is the upstairs. We're going to extend this wall because it's not flush. Straight line all the way to here. Straight line all the way to the bottom. It's going to be a new bedroom in that area. We'll be closing those walls completely. Over here, this is going to be a new bedroom. That bedroom, we're going to block off this door from here. This wall is going to be pushed inside and the entry is going to be from here. Putting a new wall here and a door from here, potentially. That's become a room. The wardrobe here, what about the wardrobe, Paul? That one says as it is, we don't touch it. We're going to make a box here for a wardrobe for that room, for the back side. So the majority of the job is living room, laundry room behind here, and kitchen. We're going to remove all of that. It all be in the drawing. New ceiling in this area, that's gone. Fireplace is gone, all the way from the roof. That's all gone. When we look at it from the outside, that fireplace needs to be completely demolished. We will need to close off the roof. Hello. New sliding door from here up to there. That will be closed off. New sliding door from here to there.
Possibly boxing something up on top of it and tying into it with steel. Because if it's a large bluestone rock, that's probably why these are all sitting on top of bits of concrete. There's been a fireplace here and a fireplace there as well, unless that's a step in the building.
That's the far end garden wall, a bit of an inside.
With a baby on the way, they needed a transformation, not just a change. That's where the Renovation Team Limited stepped in. We designed a visionary open-plan living space that combines the kitchen, dining and living areas into one harmonious environment. By integrating cutting-edge design elements like metal beams for support and expansive sliding doors, we created a truly transformative living experience. The family moved out for 8 weeks, trusting us to work our magic. They returned just in time for a new beginning, welcoming their newborn into a modern, open, and warmly inviting home. Are you ready to embrace a home that grows with your family's needs? Contact James Goran from the Renovation Team today, and let's make your home a place where memories are not just made, but cherished and shared effortlessly.